What about a man? For a man, some of the symptoms are low sperm count. A lot of couples can't have children today. Sometimes it's the man, sometimes it's the woman. Also penile dysfunction or erectile dysfunction, inability to hold an erection. In Australia, the current figures are 50% of men over the age of 40 are having trouble with this. That's crazy. Sorry, I got that mixed up. It's 40% of men over the age of 50 are struggling with this. And also prostate problems.
Hormones are essential chemical messengers that influence various functions in the body, including those related to sexual health, mood, energy, and muscle growth. For men, key hormones like testosterone play a central role in these areas. When testosterone and other hormones are imbalanced, it can lead to a range of serious issues that impact both physical and mental well-being. Men with hormone imbalances often report problems like a reduced sex drive, libido, difficulties with erections, erectile dysfunction, persistent fatigue, unexpected weight gain, and even mood changes such as irritability or depression. According to Dr. O'Neill, these symptoms aren't just small nuisances, they can deeply affect a man's quality of life.
What are the symptoms of a hormonal imbalance in a male? It can be low sperm count, it can be inability to hold an erection, it can be prostate problems.
Low testosterone levels can disrupt multiple aspects of a man's life, especially his intimate relationships and overall health. Research highlights that men with low testosterone face up to a 60% higher risk of cardiovascular issues, marking it as a significant health risk that affects both quality and length of life. Fortunately, boosting testosterone levels naturally has proven benefits, and a proactive, once-a-week approach can help restore energy, libido, and vitality. This video offers insights into a specific combination of foods designed to bring testosterone levels back to youthful levels, potentially reversing years of energy and intimacy challenges. This simple, effective approach could be a game changer for men looking to regain their strength, connection, and overall wellness. Pumpkin seeds, a zinc powerhouse. According to Dr. Barbara O'Neill,
what if I told you there's a game-changing approach you could implement just once a week to revitalize your testosterone levels and restore your youthful vigor? Stay tuned, because in this video, I'll unveil the exact combination of foods that can rejuvenate your testosterone levels to those of a 20-year-old. Don't let this chance slip away. Because the key to unlocking unparalleled vitality is right here, and missing out means losing the chance to rejuvenate your energy and reclaim your health. This isn't just about feeling better, it's about transforming your life. Watch now, and let's turn back the clock together. 1. Pumpkin seeds. In one of Dr. Barbara O'Neill's lectures, she mentioned,
if a man has zinc every day, that zinc inhibits the conversion of testosterone to the dangerous form of testosterone. And what's the highest form of zinc? Pumpkin seeds. In fact, one health writer said if every man was having adequate zinc, there would be no such thing as prostate problems.
Zinc inhibits the conversion of testosterone into harmful forms and sustains healthy levels. Pumpkin seeds are a natural source of zinc. Each cup serving of pumpkin seeds delivers around 7 milligrams of zinc, which is 63% of the daily recommended intake for adults. Many American diets fall short of this crucial mineral, leading to deficiencies that can negatively impact testosterone production. A deficiency in zinc can disrupt testosterone production. Lightly roasting pumpkin seeds enhances flavor and nutrient availability, making them a versatile addition to meals. They can be sprinkled on salads or mixed into oatmeal, but overconsumption can lead to zinc toxicity. Sticking to a 1/4 cup serving daily is optimal, as these tiny seeds have a surprising impact on testosterone levels. Greek yogurt, a protein-packed snack. Consider how a creamy, protein-rich dairy product can further support your testosterone health. Have you explored the benefits of Greek yogurt? Greek yogurt is a crucial part of a testosterone-boosting diet, which provides 20 grams of protein and 1.5 milligrams of zinc, which are essential for maintaining muscle mass and hormonal balance. It is linked to higher testosterone levels and can be enjoyed alone or mixed with fruits and nuts. Plain, non-fat Greek yogurt is recommended to avoid added sugars, and chia seeds can be added for additional protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Consider another potent meal that has a startling effect on testosterone levels. It includes the rich, gratifying crunch of nuts. Have you looked into the amazing role of Brazil nuts? Brazil nuts and selenium's role in testosterone. Brazil nuts stand out as a powerful source of selenium, an essential nutrient that's uncommon in the typical American diet. Remarkably, a single Brazil nut provides about 95.9 micrograms of selenium, almost double the recommended daily amount for men. This extraordinary concentration of selenium makes Brazil nuts a standout among other foods, especially when it comes to supporting testosterone health. Research, including a 2013 study by Harvard Medical School, has found that higher selenium intake directly correlates with better sperm quality and increased testosterone levels. Selenium is essential for protecting Leydig cells in the testes, which are key players in testosterone production. When selenium levels are insufficient, these cells function less efficiently, leading to a drop in testosterone levels. If the body doesn't get enough selenium, it can lead to significant health issues over time, such as reduced fertility and a higher risk of prostate cancer. Consuming just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a week is sufficient to maintain healthy selenium levels without risking toxicity, as too much selenium can be harmful. Additionally, pairing Brazil nuts with a small amount of fat, like olive oil, can improve the body's absorption of selenium, maximizing its benefits.
Maca root, the natural endocrine booster. Maca root is a natural adaptogen, a substance that helps the body resist stress and maintain balance, making it especially helpful for supporting hormonal health and vitality. It has been used for centuries to boost energy, and recent research highlights its potential to enhance testosterone levels and support overall wellness. This unique root contains powerful compounds known as macanes and macamides, which are key to its benefits. These compounds actively support the endocrine system, which regulates hormones throughout the body. Unlike supplements that directly increase testosterone, maca works by stimulating the hypothalamus and pituitary glands, which indirectly boost testosterone production. By lowering stress and promoting endocrine health, maca root helps the body maintain a balanced hormone production cycle. Research supports its benefits. Studies in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology have shown that maca root positively influences testosterone levels and enhances sexual function. Another study published in Menopause found that maca improved libido and sexual performance, emphasizing its overall support for hormonal health. This indirect approach to balancing hormones makes maca a valuable addition for anyone aiming to boost vitality and well-being naturally. How to consume maca root. A typical serving of maca root powder, about 3 grams, can be easily incorporated into a daily diet by adding it to smoothies, oatmeal, or baked goods. The gelatinized form of maca is easier to digest and ensures better absorption. Cacao and magnesium for testosterone production. Raw cacao, which is the unprocessed form of chocolate, is a powerful food for boosting testosterone and supporting overall hormonal health. Its benefits stem largely from its high magnesium and antioxidant content. A single tablespoon of raw cacao powder contains around 27% of the recommended daily magnesium intake, making it a potent source of this essential mineral. Magnesium plays a key role in testosterone production and hormonal balance. Research in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism shows that men with adequate magnesium levels have testosterone levels up to 20% higher than those with a deficiency. Supplementing magnesium can increase both free and total testosterone levels, highlighting just how essential it is for male health. In addition to magnesium, raw cacao is rich in flavonols, a type of antioxidant that supports circulation and lowers blood pressure, both critical for maintaining healthy sexual function. Improved blood flow enhances sexual performance and vitality, making flavonols an important benefit for men's health. To incorporate raw cacao into your diet, add a spoonful to smoothies, coffee, or oatmeal, or blend it with almond milk and honey for a nourishing, delicious drink. Opting for raw cacao instead of processed cocoa powder ensures you're getting the maximum levels of beneficial flavonols and magnesium. Alongside other testosterone-boosting foods like lean beef, raw cacao can be a valuable addition to a balanced testosterone-supporting diet. Lean beef, protein and zinc to support hormones. Lean beef is a powerhouse for men's health, particularly due to its high protein and zinc content, both of which are essential for testosterone production and overall vitality. In just a 3-ounce serving, lean beef delivers about 33% of the daily recommended intake of zinc. Zinc is crucial for stimulating luteinizing hormone, LH, which, in turn, signals the testes to produce more testosterone. Consuming sufficient zinc not only helps maintain healthy testosterone levels, but also supports immune function and muscle repair. Alongside zinc, lean beef is rich in vitamin B12 and iron, both of which are essential for energy, mood, and stamina. Vitamin B12 is particularly beneficial for neurological health, while iron plays a key role in oxygen transport within the blood, helping to reduce fatigue and improve overall vitality. Grass-fed beef is higher in omega-3 fatty acids than grain-fed beef, which supports heart health, reduces inflammation, and promotes a better hormonal balance. You can enjoy lean beef in various preparations: grill it as a steak, stir-fry it with colorful vegetables, or marinate it with rosemary, garlic, or thyme, which add both flavor and antioxidants to your meal. Combining these foods for maximum impact. Finally, let's combine these powerful foods to maximize their benefits. Blending testosterone-boosting ingredients into a nutrient-rich smoothie is a smart way to support hormonal health with a single, easy-to-make recipe. Combining ingredients like Greek yogurt, maca root powder, and pumpkin seeds creates a powerful mix of nutrients that work together to support testosterone production, balance hormones, and enhance energy levels. Here's how each ingredient plays a role. Greek yogurt supports digestion and provides essential amino acids that aid in muscle maintenance and growth, both of which are important for testosterone levels. Maca root powder is noted for its ability to support libido and energy, making it an effective natural aid for hormonal health. Pumpkin seeds supports the production of luteinizing hormone, which in turn signals the testes to produce testosterone. Adding this smoothie to your weekly routine can improve metabolism, balance hormone levels, and provide a boost in energy and vitality. For best results, enjoy this smoothie once a week to see gradual improvements in energy, vitality, and overall health. This simple habit may help bring back the vigor of younger years by naturally supporting testosterone production. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with friends, and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Thanks for watching.